When selecting a replacement catalytic converter, it's important to purchase the correct part for both your vehicle and the state it's operating in. In Maine, your vehicle will use either a federal EPA-compliant converter or a CARB-compliant converter. The California Air Resources Board, or CARB, sets the strictest standards for the nation in vehicle emissions controls. These standards were created for the state of California and have been adopted by Maine. For a California emission certified vehicle year 2001 and newer to be legally registered and operated within the state of Maine, you must select a CARB-compliant catalytic converter. If your vehicle is OBD2, typically model year 1996 or newer, the first step to selecting the right converter for your vehicle is to locate the Vehicle Emissions Control Information tag, and this is found on or near the underside of the hood, the suspension tower, or the radiator shroud. Note that in some cases, the BECI tag may be missing due to damage in an accident or exposure to the elements. If it is missing or damaged, you'll need to go to the dealership with your VIN information to get a replacement label. What you want to look for is the certification level, which will be noted in the text of the label stating that the vehicle conforms to either EPA or California regulations. EPA indicates that you will use a federal part, while the California vehicles model year 2001 and newer will require the use of a CARB converter. California vehicles model year 2000 and older may use a federal part. MagnaFlow manufactures 3 different grades of EPA or federal legal catalytic converters to meet the need of customers in federal emission standard states. OEM-grade products are manufactured with the required precious metals to be compliant for OBD2 vehicles with California emissions and EPA or federal emission systems. HM-grade products are compliant for OBD2 vehicles with EPA or federal emission systems. They can also be used on California emission vehicles on select applications where MagnaFlow does not offer an OEM-grade converter. Standard-grade products are compliant for pre-OBD2 vehicles manufactured prior to 1996. For California regulation vehicles, we recommend purchasing an OEM-grade converter if available. For an EPA regulation vehicle, you can purchase either an OEM-grade or an HM-grade converter. For California regulation vehicles model year 2001 or newer, you'll want to look for the EFN or engine family number. This number is specific to the engine inside your vehicle, which also identifies the emissions certification of that vehicle. Make a note of this information or take a photo of the label so you don't make errors in transposing any of the details. You may skip this step if 1. Your vehicle is pre-OBD2, typically model year 1995 or older, 2. For EPA regulation vehicles, or 3. If your California regulation vehicle is model year 2000 or older. For these vehicles, you'll be able to identify your part using the year, make, model, and engine of your vehicle. MagnaFlow.com makes it easy to help you select and purchase the right catalytic converter for your vehicle. Using the drop-down options of the Shop by Vehicle feature on the website, choose the year, make, model, submodel, and engine configuration, and then click Next. Next, you're prompted to click on the state that your vehicle is registered in. If your vehicle is a model year 2001 or newer with a California emission system, select your EFN number. Please note, on occasion you may be asked to enter additional vehicle qualifier information. You can now make your selection from the available catalytic converter options that are listed on the screen for your vehicle. MagnaFlow offers both direct fit and universal catalytic converters, so let's take a look at some of the features of both. As the name implies, our direct fit converters are meant to replace the original equipment directly and require the least amount of specialty tooling or skills. We use 3D scanning during research and development so you can be confident that this part is designed to fit and function just like the original equipment. Our universal converters can be legally used on a wide range of vehicles, but some fabrication in the form of either cutting, forming, or welding will be required. The average do-it-yourself installer may not have the right tools or experience for this job, so MagnaFlow recommends professional installation. No matter which MagnaFlow catalytic converter you purchase, you'll be getting the same corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction engineered to keep the engine light off. Be sure to visit us at www.magnaflow.com or give our in-house tech line a call at 800-990-0905 for any information about any of our products. Thank you for choosing MagnaFlow, and we hope to see you back out on the road.